G'day, Janet Beckers here with a one-word mindset hack to reprogram your subconscious for success, especially when things aren't going the way you want. Here is an example. Do you say, I don't have enough time, or there's not enough people who've turned up to my seminar or on my mailing list? Can you feel the panic? Can you feel that sense of why bother? Okay, here is the one-word mindset hack, my challenge for you this week. Replace not enough with just enough. Just enough time, just enough people. Now, you might call BS on this, but it's going to focus on quality rather than quantity. You'll be focusing on who turns up, and very often you will get better sales and better outcomes for those people who are there. Okay, go get them, folks.